Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Haskell County in southeastern Oklahoma, northeastern McIntosh County in southeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Sequoia County in east central Oklahoma, southeastern Muskogee County in east central Oklahoma, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Shakota, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Warner, Vian, Gore, Plum, Webbers Falls, Tama H.A., Box. This includes Interstate 40 in Oklahoma between mile markers 266 and 301.